Dada. You guys are probably so like Shannon, freaking change your clothes. I just can't anymore. I can't be bothered. When I first started YouTube and I filmed I posted a video like every day on my main channel, I literally would switch my outfits, my jewelry for like each video, and I would film it like all in a day, and I just I'm getting old and tired now. Hey you guys, I'm Channon Rose, and in today's video I thought it would be interesting to do a video telling you guys all of the surgeries I've ever had. I did a video a while back called all the jobs I've ever had, and I thought because I've had so many surgeries that I would do a video on all the surgeries I've ever had. And whoo, there's been quite a few. So I'm gonna try to remember all of them. I didn't write them down, I'm just doing this off the top of my head. And I got this idea when I was filling out paperwork before my surgery for my IVF egg retrieval. The nurse had to ask me like, what are all the surgeries you've ever had? And I was just like, oh my God, and there's been so many, and I was like trying to think of all of them. So I'm gonna start from the very beginning. I'll try to go in order, but I think the very first surgery I ever had was to get my tonsils out. I don't even think they do this anymore. It's a tonsillectomy. I'm pretty sure my sister and I both got our tonsils out. So that was one surgery. The second surgery I ever had was a nose job. I think I was like 16 or 17. I can't remember the exact age, but and my sister and I also both did this at the same time, on the same day actually. My mom worked in the plastic surgery field, and so one of the doctors she worked for did our surgery. But we paid for it. It's not like we got it for free. Anyway, thank you Mom for paying for my first nose job. You're the best. The third surgery, I'm not gonna be able to go in order now because there's just been too many surgeries from then on out, but altogether I've had 3 nose jobs. And during one of those nose jobs, I also got my boobs done. I've had 3 rhinoplasties on my nose. I've had 2 boob jobs, and I'm about to get a third one to get them taken out completely, an explant, because I heard like breast implants are making people sick, and I have so many issues, so I definitely just want to get those out. I'm not going to put new ones in, so that'll be a third one. So yeah, I got my boobs done, and then I didn't like them, so then I got them smaller in a lift. That was my last boob job surgery. And hopefully here soon I'll be, like I said, be getting them out. Okay, another surgery I had was when I broke my back in a car accident. I had severe internal bleeding, and I had broken my back and lacerated my spleen and my kidney, and so I had a surgery to repair my back, and they put a bunch of rods and screws in. That was crazy. That was when I was 15. I remember because I spent my 16th birthday in the hospital, and I was really pissed off because I was hoping to get a car, and I did not get a car. So I've had a laparoscopy surgery, and that was before like my IVF, to go in and remove all the endometriosis I had. And then I had an ectopic pregnancy, and so I had to have surgery for that, and they removed not one but both my tubes, so now I definitely can't get pregnant on my own. And then, let's see, then I had really bad internal bleeding, and so I had to have emergency surgery because the pregnancy was not in my tubes, it was in my abdomen, which is like so rare. So I had to have surgery for that, and then they also did another, like laparoscopy, I guess is what that was, and they removed my endometriosis a second time because it was really bad in there. So I had 2 surgeries for egg retrieval, for IVF. I've lost track. I haven't been counting, but I had another surgery for my back. So I had the original one, and then I had another. I've had total of 3 surgeries. So the first one when I first broke my back, then I had another one for them to like go in and just check to make sure everything was okay, and then I had a third back surgery for them to remove all the hardware. So that was another surgery, and that was awful. I think that they forgot to give me pain medicine for when I woke up, and they had literally been like cut through all my back, all my muscle in my back, everything, then taken a freaking drill and like unscrewing screws and hardware, and then like stitching me back up and not giving me pain medicine when I woke up. Like, could you imagine the pain that you would be in? I literally woke up screaming and was like, what the fuck? And then because my insurance like only covered me to be in the hospital for like 2 days after the surgery, they're like, sorry, you gotta go home. And I could barely sit up on my own. You know, like I still needed like physical therapy and stuff. I was not ready to go home, and they just like, they're like, get out of here. So crazy. Anyway, so those are the surgeries I can remember. Hopefully I'm not forgetting any. So I just thought it would be fun to just let you guys know how many surgeries I've had, and what surgeries they were for. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I'll see you in my next video.